Alright, today I'm going to be covering how to set up basic grade scheme here in Bolt. First step is to go into the coursework tab and select grades. And here you can see the current gradebook settings. These would just be the default settings if you haven't changed anything. And then we're going to click on Start the Setup Wizard. Okay, from this page we're going to have three different options for choosing the grade system. First option is going to be a weighted grade, which calculates students' grade as part of a whole percentage. The points-based system, which calculates the students' grade as far as how many points they got out of the total points. And you can also set up a custom formula to return the students' calculated grades. For this tutorial, we are going to use the points grade system, and then click Continue. Okay, this page of the setup wizard gives you two options as far as the final grade. The first one, the default, is going to be the calculated final grade, which does not allow you to adjust final grades. It is based off a strict formula. And the second option, which we're going to use for today, is the adjusted final grade, which allows you to go in and make changes to students' final grades. Click Continue. Okay, in this step of the grade setup process, you have two options as far as what you want to do with the ungraded items. Either drop ungraded items or treat ungraded items as 0. I think the best bet would be to drop ungraded items, so if you accidentally don't enter a grade, that the students aren't affected with the 0. So we're going to keep drop ungraded items selected. And we're also going to automatically keep the final grade updated selected so that students can always see what their final grade will be in Bolt. And click Continue. Okay, this step is pretty easy because we only have one option to select from, is the percentage grade scheme. If you want to get more in depth, you can add schemes up here at the top in the Schemes tab, but for now we are going to keep default scheme selected as percentage. Click Continue. This page of the setup wizard allows you to select the number of decimal places that are displayed when the students are looking at the grade. These numbers can go from anywhere from 0 to 5, but for this one we're going to keep it at 2, and then click Continue. Alright, this step of the setup wizard will allow you to choose what the students will see when they're checking their grades. First three boxes available are the points grade, grade scheme symbol, and grade scheme color. The points grade will show the students how many points they've earned out of the full total number of points. The grade scheme symbol will show that as a percentage if you have the percentage scheme selected. Selecting the grade scheme color option will allow you to enter certain colors that correspond with grades, such as you can give the A from 90 to 100 a green color, or a failing grade under 60 a red color. From here you can show how many number of decimal places are displayed to the students when they check their grades, and how many characters for the descriptions of each grade. And then here we want to have selected display final grade calculations to users, and click Continue. Okay, from this page of the wizard you can review all your settings and make sure that it's everything that you want, as grading system, final grade. And then once you review all that and it's satisfactory, you can go on to click Finish. On this page you should get a saved notification down here at the bottom, and then your setup is saved, and you can then go into create a new grade item and start entering your students' grades.